In this video, I will show you how to set a start view for a board in Miro. First, log into your Miro account. Once you're in your main dashboard, you will see your menu list on the left side of your screen where all your tools are located. On your board, go to the left side and click on the menu list. Then click on the text button. Type in any text or add the objects that you want to appear in your start view. Next, go to the top part of your screen. Beside my first board, you will see a three-dotted icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover your mouse over board and another pop-up will show up. From here, click on Start View. Now you can adjust and position your view exactly how you want it to appear whenever you or others open the board. Once you're happy with the setup, simply click on Done to save your start view. And that's how to set a start view for a board in Miro.